Alright, so this one has made me $2,444 so far. This one has made me $2,386 and 361 euros so far. This one has made me plus minus $65, $130 on the 15th, $65 on the 30th, and $130, being paying about anywhere between $65 and $500 a month extra. So this one may seem a little bit lower in earnings right now, but I'm going to explain to you why this one is perhaps a little bit lower and how it's really setting itself up to skyrocket and explode in earnings. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the channel Millionaire Mindset. On this channel, I'm documenting my journey on how to make money online. I'm posting every single day. If you want to win my 6-figure drop servicing expert course, make sure to comment down below your favorite quotes or inspirational quotes, leave a like and subscribe down below with the bell on. I can see who's done all three. In tomorrow's video, I will announce the winner of that course giveaway. If you want to get a free 26-minute masterclass with me on my 6-figure drop servicing expert course / university, head over to the first link in the description and you'll see me over there. So this is going to be a really valuable video on how I've been building a complete passive income affiliate marketing business in 2021 so far, completely for free. I haven't spent a single penny on ads yet. I haven't taken any money out of my pockets. Everything I'm about to show you is complete profits. So I want to show you the two main ways that I've been going about this to make tons of free passive income online. When I say free, meaning I've been making money and passive income online without actually spending any money myself. So I have no expenses. There's nothing to lose with this. So the first way I want to show you is this landing page that I've created over here. And I'm actually going to give to you at the end of this video. I originally wasn't going to, but I decided to give you a kickstart. I'm going to give you all the resources that I've used in this video. So make sure to watch until the end to see how you can get that, so that you can put this into action straight away, so you don't have to go through all the effort that I did to build all of this. And this page is basically an entire article with a very good sales video that sells Kartra for me. This is the landing page that I use to get tons of affiliate commissions that pay me every single month from my affiliates and my leads. You'll see it on here. I basically explain more or less what this tool is about. I'm going to show you a database in a bit where you can find tons of different affiliate products to promote. And at the bottom of this page, I want to show you is the trick that I use to hook people into this program or this affiliate product for them to use, which I also get a commission every single month from. So on my affiliate link with this tool, I give away over $5,000, this just hasn't been updated yet, worth of bonuses and done for you funnels from me that you only exclusively get from me when you join Kartra through my affiliate link. So this is a hook, but at the same time it's a win-win because my leads are getting a lot of value, but they're also signing up through my affiliate link. So it's a win for me because I'm getting my leads. It's a win for my leads because they're getting tons of done for you online businesses and funnels that they can put into action to make money with. Before I get started with this page, there's a few things that you need to understand. So we need to go and find an affiliate product to promote and something that you like. The number one ultimate trick with affiliate marketing, and this is something that a lot of people make mistakes with, is that people will promote too many different affiliate products at the same time. Choose one product, focus on it for the next 2 to 3 years. Don't promote a product on, for example, SEO and then go and promote another product on pet training. You want to stick to one niche, one product for about 2 to 3 years and then judge your success after that. So this is a small database on capterra.co.za or .com that will show you tons of different softwares that you can become an affiliate for. So click on software categories over here. You will find all the different categories of different softwares that you can find to promote, such as accounting, such as anti-spam software, such as artificial intelligence, auction software, banking software. So for example, we can click on accounting practice management software, for example. We can just take the name of this, for example, first one over here, or it looks like Acuity Scheduling. We want to open this in a new tab and we just want to type affiliate program and see what comes up. So over here you can see Acuity Scheduling join our affiliate program. That means they have an affiliate program. Every time you refer someone to this affiliate program, you can get a commission for that and you get $45 for every new customer subscription. But these three main affiliate programs that I've been promoting is Kartra.com, Builderall.com and Bluehost.com. Now I know I said in the beginning of this video, focus on one affiliate product, which is what I'm doing right now. So the whole of this year and half of 2020, I've just been promoting Kartra. From 2019 to 2020, I was promoting a combination of Builderall and Bluehost, and still today, from the efforts that I put into Bluehost and Builderall, I'm still receiving complete passive income today, years later, and I'm not even promoting them at all, because all my old leads that are paying for their packages and using for their plans, I am now getting a commission still every month, lifetime for that. But right now, my main program that I'm promoting is Kartra, which I'm going to focus on in this video because I know a lot about it and how you can succeed with it, just like I have. Now, the two main ways to go and promote Kartra as an affiliate to make passive income. You need to firstly provide free value. You need to give something away. You need to give people a reason to join your affiliate link. If you just say to someone, hi, join my affiliate link with Kartra, they're not going to join it. But if you tell them, hi there, if you decide to join Kartra and join my affiliate team, I'll be giving each and every one of my affiliates over $5,000 worth of done for you funnels and bonuses, which I will give to you at the end of this video, don't worry, for free, that you can use to promote Kartra as an affiliate yourself to make money with, because you're not giving people a reason to join your affiliate link. This plays a big role in the success or failure of converting leads into actual affiliate sales on the Kartra page. So that's what this page comes into action. This is my landing page that I have created. You'll see when I join or come to the bottom of this page and I click on this button over here, it's going to take me to a page like this. I want to show you something that's very powerful. I'm giving away $5,000 worth of high quality bonuses to help you succeed with Kartra. When people click on the View Mega Bonus Package, it opens up this tab over here where they need to enter their name and email in order to receive their bonuses. But what I do is I collect emails. For example, someone might collect my bonuses today, but they might not join Kartra yet. I can retarget them with more emails, more giveaways, more value and stories, which could persuade them to sign up later on, converting leads that weren't interested now into more active Kartra subscriptions later on, making you even more money down the line. And when you get to a stage where you've built an email list of 10,000 people, you can make well over $3,000 to $5,000 a day just in affiliate commissions and sending out affiliate links through those emails. So once people click on view bonuses, it's going to take them to this page over here where they can actually view and claim my bonuses. So on this page, I give a brief description of all the bonuses that I'm giving away. So this is important to understand because you need to illustrate to everybody what you are exactly giving away. So the first bonus is a done for you cash machine funnel. I've got little descriptions over here, a done for you drop service agency funnel, a done for you affiliate advertorial, a done for you high ticket product funnel, done for you Kartra affiliate funnel, which is this funnel that I'm showing you now, which you need to promote as an affiliate that you're getting for free over here. So if you do want to get this entire funnel to promote as an affiliate, I give these bonuses away for free. You don't have to buy Kartra. All you need to do is join the trial. And with these bonuses, you'll receive through my affiliate link down below in the description completely for free. So I'm not trying to make money off of you or anything like that. These bonuses are for free. You just need to join the Kartra trial. You'll see the instructions are over here. You will get the bonus package 6 hours after you've signed up on the Kartra affiliate link down below. And from there, there's multiple ways that you can go and offer your Kartra bonuses to promote as an Kartra affiliate. You can either run and list this website on Google that will explain to people the game-changing marketing technique that will explode your sales.
What I'm about
You'll see over here, I've got a whole sales video, and this video alone sells Kartra very well. The way the guy explains Kartra is very good and gives people a good indication of what Kartra is and how you can use it. So this page, you can go and list and rank on Google. So for example, if people search Kartra trial, join Kartra, you can pop up first for that term. And this page will then pop up there. And when people click on this page, they see at the bottom, they're getting tons of thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. They're going to sign up through your link. The second way I've been going about this is creating simple YouTube videos. You don't need any fancy equipment. You don't need any fancy mic. I've got a basic little collar mic here. You can use your laptop mic, and I'm using my webcam and a free screen recorder. All I do is I review Kartra. All I did was I joined the Kartra trial, got access to the backend office over here that looks like this, simply reviewed each and every feature, explaining what it means. You can go view what they each mean here on the Kartraverse training portal. It explains to you. Make a couple of review videos, make tons of separate videos. You can have a whole series on Kartra, on my products, my communications, my pages. You want to go and post it on your YouTube channel, title that video Kartra Review 2021, and leave your affiliate link like this video over here in the description of your video. This video alone got 4,000 views, and this video over here with my Builderall link got 25,000 views, and this video generated me well over $1,000 just in Builderall commissions. This Kartra video was a little bit less views, but it got me about 16 signups, which was well over $400 the day I released this video just in Kartra affiliate commissions. And not only that, you can also start to make money if you run your channel consistently off YouTube ad revenue. When people see that they know what you're talking about, they see you understand the product and what you're doing, they will subscribe and they will pay attention and listen to you because you're giving them free value. Over time, you can build a really big business out of this. You can make money off YouTube ad revenue, Kartra affiliate links. You can also create an entire affiliate marketing course with Kartra on Udemy, list that in the link of your YouTube videos over here and sell that as a course. So that's already 3 streams of income. YouTube ad revenue, which is passive, your Kartra subscriptions paying you every single month as an affiliate, passive income, your Udemy courses making sales, passive income because people can buy and watch your course anytime. All you need to do is record your course once and you can sell it for the rest of your life from there because people are watching the pre-recorded videos. So in a nutshell, you're making use of this done for you Kartra affiliate funnel over here. So you will receive an invite to the Kartra affiliate program along with my brand new Kartra sales funnel. This will allow you to promote Kartra as an affiliate and earn 40% commissions recurring plus 10% on tier 2. This funnel is the funnel that has all these bonuses for you set up in a membership area. All you need to do is get this up and running like I've showed you in this video. And I've actually have an entire training video on how to set this up on the membership area of my Kartra affiliate link when you join down below. That will give this to you for free. So you can either run Google ads on this, list this on Google, go and promote it on free classified ad websites, or I suggest create a YouTube channel and a review channel and a whole affiliate marketing channel teaching people, and also go and release a course on udemy.com that you can create and sell or give away for free and just include your affiliate link in the description of that course. Alright guys, if you've made it this far to the video, you would have noticed I've already explained 2 of my biggest streams of income, affiliate marketing and YouTube. But I want to explain to you my 3rd and biggest stream of income that nearly is double the amount of YouTube and affiliate marketing, called drop servicing. So on top of YouTube, on top of affiliate marketing, I do a concept where I sell rare high income skills and services that take years to study, years to learn, and that people pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for without actually doing the work myself. So you don't need to go to university, to school, to study these high income skills to sell them. You can already sell them without doing the work yourself and make just as much money doing so. I'll explain how this works. So let's say I offer to design somebody a website for $300. All I will go and do is when an order is placed with me, there is a freelance marketplace called Fiverr.com where you can go and hire experts and freelancers already in that field for, let's say, $50 to $80 to make that same website, and you're going to keep anywhere between $220 and $300 in your pockets profits, and all you need to do is transfer that work from your service provider to your client, and you're keeping all the profit in the middle. So over here is an entire 26-minute free training on my 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp/course, which explains to you what's in this course, how you can join it, how you can get lifetime mentoring with me, one-on-one video mentoring, and you can see all the results from all my stores from the information that I teach in this course in this video over here. Included in this course is over $19,000 worth of bonuses, which you can go and read through in the first link in the description. My biggest bonus is at the end of this course, I give to you one of my done-for-you drop servicing agencies that personally made me over $98,000 in 2020 alone. All you need to do is you need to go and claim this bonus, put it into action, and you will start to see results because I've already proven that this is a winning store. And the reason why I'm giving this store to you in the course is just to give you a kickstart and to help you get even more results. Currently, this course is on huge special for $397 to help out around the pandemic period. You just need to put in the discount code MillyClub1600 on the checkout page and it will deduct all the way to $397. So click on this button over here, copy this code over here, come over to this checkout, just wait for this to load. Paste your coupon over here, click on the tick option over here, and you will see the entire course will deduct all the way down to $397. You will then be sent an email to the private login membership area of this course. Don't forget the giveaway that I'm having on this course in today's video on how one lucky winner can win this entire course. So make sure to leave your comments down below, leave your like, subscribe with the bell on. I'll announce the winner in tomorrow's video. But without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and make sure to have the bell on for that video tomorrow.